Hi, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm making a classic, quick and easy mac and cheese. It's a kind of go-to quick lunch, snack, dinner, whatever. It's pretty easy to make and it's done very quickly. I just used half a box of elbow macaroni, quarter or 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, and melted the butter here and added the flour to make the roux. You just want to cook it up just enough until it's creamy, smooth. You don't want to overcook it. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. I just used regular 2% milk, but you can use any kind of milk you prefer. You just want to whisk it up really good so there's no chunks of pieces of flour or anything. And just keep stirring until it thickens up and it kind of coats the wooden spoon. And before it thickens up, I added some ground mustard, less than a quarter teaspoon of everything I used, garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. I don't add any salt as the cheeses are very salty as it is, so I really don't need the extra salt. Then I added 8 ounces of sharp cheddar that I shredded up myself, and about a cup of parmesan that I grated finely. So once the flour and the butter are thickened up with the milk, then you add the cheese in and just stir it till it's fully combined. You can turn the heat off too while you're doing this process. You don't need the heat. And we add the cooked noodles. And just mix it all up, and that's pretty much it. Very simple. You can also add a little bit of cayenne pepper if you want a little bit of spiciness to it, but I don't have that this time. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you think and give it a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.